Hey guys, today let's learn how to upload high quality videos over on TikTok. So let's get started. But first, make sure to watch this video till the end. Don't skip this video, otherwise you can miss something very important. Alright, so here I have my TikTok. Alright, so I'm going for upload. Okay, so here I'm going to select any of the video. Let's say this video. Alright, so once I select my video, on right we have some options. From here you can enhance your video, add effects to the video, you can apply the filters, and you can reduce the noise of the video. And then we have a text option, you can add the text from here. Anyways, after that on the top we have add sound, and if you click on that, from here you can easily add a music to the video. For right now I'm not going to add anything from any of them, so I'm going to click next. And here you can see we have this option, allow high quality upload. And once you enable this option, your video will be posted at the highest possible quality. Your video will be posted without losing a single pixel. Just you have to enable this option before posting any of the video and click post, and your video will be posted at the maximum quality. So this is how you can post high quality videos over on TikTok. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.